Hi, so this is how carne Jugo is made. This is a traditional dish from Guadalajara. And the first step is to do the beans, frijoles de la olla. However, I'm lazy, so I bought this at the store. The second step is to chop the bacon. It's just plain smoked bacon, salty bacon, because I know there are like sweet bacon. No, this is just salty bacon, normal bacon. And we want to fry the bacon to be crispy. Meanwhile, our bacon is frying. We are going to make the sauce. You have to use around 250 grams to 300 grams of tomatillo per each kilogram of beef that you are going to use. Now, I'm just adding a little bit of sea salt, just a pinch. Also, I'm going to add just a little bit of Knorr chicken seasoning. I'm going to add a little bit of onion and just like a handful of cilantro to make it blend easier. And this is the time when you want to add the serrano peppers. I would add 2. However, that's on you. If you want it very spicy, just add more. Now that we have taken the bacon out of the pot, we're going to leave just a little thin layer of fat on the pot, because that's where we're going to seal the beef. And actually we want this bacon stuck to the pot, because it's going to give it a lot of flavor to the beef. Using 1 kilogram of sliced sirloin. And just we want to seal it. We don't want to cook it fully. Now that we have the beef sealed, I'm going to pour the sauce on it and give it a little mix. And we are going to cover the pot and let it cook for 30 minutes at medium heat. Meanwhile, our beef is cooking. We are going to fry the onions. This is a little bit of the fat that we got from the bacon, and also I added a little bit of lard. This must be done in lard or pork fat, because the taste is just so much better than using oil. Now, 30 minutes later, I'm going to add the beans. I poured 1 liter bottle of beans on it. So now it's just to prepare the dish. It's done, and you must add some cilantro or coriander, onion and bacon as you wish. And of course lime and the onions. And that's it.